Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. Okay, shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody showing love and support. This is a all blade haircut, okay? And this is the OA blade, okay? What I'm doing right now was skinning the bottom. Well, it's not really skinning since this is the OA. I'm just actually doing I guess a light shadow fade. Alright. One of my subscribers, I forgot his name, but he asked me to do an all blade haircut, and this is it. Okay. Alright, now this is an easy haircut to me. All blade haircuts are pretty easy to me. I haven't done one in probably about a week or so, so I'm a little rusty. This is a half haircut since I already did the other half. Now I got the one blade. This right here is the one blade. All I did was go up about maybe an inch with the with the OA blade, and the one blade I went up another inch. And like I said, this is a real easy tutorial for me because there's not really much to it. All it is just fading from the OA up to about a 1A. As a matter of fact, from an OA to a 1.5. Then I have to come around and do the hairline, do the tape up. I actually don't show you guys, okay, so this is the 1A blade. I don't show you guys when I do the airbrush, use the Kiss Express. It's actually a new formula of the Kiss Express. I gotta do a video on that, let y'all know that, see how I'm doing the Kiss Express now, because they reformulated the formula. So it doesn't come in the old container anymore, okay? So all I did to get this far in the fade was go from an OA to a 1, up until the 1A. And this is what I'm doing right now, 1A right here. So my next step will be a 1.5. Like I said, real simple haircut. And like I said, all I did was OA, 1A, and here it is, 1.5 blade. I'm gonna take it all the way to the top. Okay. And like I said, with the all blade haircuts, whenever you're using an all blade clipper, sometimes you might feel like the transition don't work that well for you. So it's always good to just go back and do some detail work or some corrective work. There's nothing wrong with going back and cleaning your work or checking your work, okay? This is something that I do all the time, and for some reason it always brings my haircuts together. You get a more precise, a more cleaner body of work when you do go back and check your work, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna brush it down just to make sure I don't have any imperfections. And what I do notice is there is an imperfection when I brush it down. I feel like the transition from the 1 to a 1A didn't look so faded. So all I did was put the one blade back on and fade it on the way. You know what I mean? Anyways, very simple haircut. And like I was saying before, I didn't do the airbrush on this video, so I'm gonna skip from doing the hairline straight to the final product, and it'll actually be a pretty short video, okay? Anybody that got any questions about this video, go ahead and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. Well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. Thanks for all the love and the support, y'all. It's all this Barber love, man. Shout out to Barber Illuminati, man. Y'all been showing so much love, and I appreciate y'all hitting me up, man. I'm telling you, sometimes you feel like when you do these videos, you feel like ain't nobody watching, but just the feedback that y'all give me. Anyways, the feedback that y'all been showing me, man, it's been spectacular, man. I appreciate all the love, all the support, everything y'all been doing. And like I said, it seems like sometimes that nobody watching, but Thank you guys for showing love, man. Reaching out to me. Those that have been contributing to this channel financially. All the likes, all the shares. Man, we got to stick together as barbers. And those of you that's getting a little bit of gain from this channel, I want y'all to pass it along to the next generation of barbers. And then, you know, everybody can just kind of grow from here. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. It's about growth. The more you help, the more you grow. You know what I mean? So, like I said, if you got any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you need to know anything about the Barber Illuminati, go ahead and hit up Barber Illuminati right here on Instagram. You can follow him on you can follow him on Instagram. You can hit him up right here on YouTube. He is on Facebook as well. And like I said, this is a lifestyle. It's a movement. This is one of those things that you know, it's a lifestyle. It's not something that you just represent, but it's something that you know, you become part of and you grow within. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Barber Illuminati, y'all. Thanks for the support, y'all. Peace.